Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel. Long time no see, but I finally got a product in for a review, and I'm really excited because I was watching a lot of YouTubers that have tech kits and stuff like that. Basically just a pouch or something like that where they can keep all their tech products. And with tech products, I'm thinking about cables, chargers and stuff like that. So I finally got something where I can keep all my tech products. And this is from Bellroy. It's a tech kit, as you can see over here. And yeah, I'm really excited to see what's in this little bag. I'm really glad that I got this product because it got lost in transit, and that's why it took so long to arrive to me. And I sent a ticket to the Bellroy support, and they helped me out. I'm not sponsored or anything to say these kind of things, but I was really impressed with the Bellroy tech support. They actually sent me this product faster, and they didn't actually wait for the lost package to arrive to them, and they just sent this one with DHL or something like that. And yeah, it arrived in like a week, and it should have arrived in like 3 weeks. So yeah, I was really impressed with them. So yeah, I really want to see this product. I'm not gonna be biased or anything, and let's see what my opinion of this product is. Okay, so as you can see, this is the bag of the tech kit, and over here we have a little spoiler that it's the midnight color, and this is how it's basically gonna look like. It says that it's made from recycled paper, and we should recycle it. So yeah, this is the outside bag, and let's see what do we have inside of this little bag. So let's take it out. Alright, so this is the tech kit. I'm so excited to see what it's inside and stuff like that. So one thing that I really like about this product is that it's made from recycled materials, and also the leather, as you can see, it says that it's eco-certified leather. So this little leather, and also the Bellroy logo that you can see over here, it's made from eco leather. So it's not really leather, so yeah, don't get your hopes up for real leather. But yeah, this product, it's really great because it's technically eco. You should also always try to protect your environments and stuff like that. So yeah, I love eco products. Okay, on the back it says that it's using recycled water bottles and stuff like that. So that's really great. And let's open this little book. Tame your Tangle Tech. Okay, so this is how our tech pouch or tech kit is gonna look like. Stretchy mesh pockets, and those are the stretch storage pockets basically. Elastic loops are these over here, and I'm gonna show you in just a second in real life how it looks like. Power pocket, a hidden pocket stores a power bank. Basically you can store your power bank over here, but I think I'm gonna just store it over in this little stretch storage pocket. And also one thing that I really liked about this tech kit is that it lays flat, and you have a flat access on the table after you open it. The zip, I'm really curious how it's gonna be, if it's a quality one or not. Water resistant exterior, that I didn't know about this product, so I'm really happy about it. I don't know about this zipper, if it's protected from water. And over here you can read if you are interested. It's not something that is that important. On the back it says a little bit about their story and stuff like that. Let's get on with unboxing because I took a lot of time, and I have to fill this tech kit fast. I really like this zipper. It's really high quality, and let's see how it looks like. We have just a little bag to keep it in shape, and as you can see, One thing that I really liked about this product from the photos from their website is that it was, midnight, and on the inside it's blue. It's got this little blue thing, and also the gray color. So yeah, we have a lot of pockets, and basically this is where you're gonna go crazy. I'm gonna fill all of those pockets, and I'm gonna come back so I can just show you how much and how many tech products or cables and stuff like that you can fit in it. Okay, so now the tech kit is finally full, and I'm really excited to see how many things I actually put in it. So yeah, as you can see, it's not showing that I've got anything basically in this little tech kit. But one thing that I don't really understand, I'm usually probably gonna put the tech kit just like this because I don't like this little stitching, but the Bellroy logo, it's like this, so probably I should put it on the table just like that. I don't know, it was a little bit weird, but yeah, let's get right in the tech kit. As you can see, the zipper, it's really nice, really high quality, and basically this is what I have in this tech kit. So let's start with the right side. So on the right side, I have a few things. I really like this little owl logo, by the way. And I have my power bank. It's on Anchor 10,000 or something milliamps. I just got USBs because I don't really use it that often, but it's really great to have it, in your bag, just in case if you need a little bit more juice. On the right side, as you can see, I have two things. I have this cable, USB-C to Lightning, and I'm gonna use this one with the fast charger if I really need it. Just to have the quick little charge. And yeah, basically this is how I'm gonna use this setup. I also, as you can see on the right, have a little charger. This is just the 5-watt one, is the basic one, and I'm gonna use it for my Apple Watch charger. And yeah, that's basically it to the right. I also have a pen just in case I need to write something down. On the left side, I have a lot of things actually. So on the left side, I have this cable. It is just a normal USB to micro USB, and this is how I'm gonna charge my Anchor power bank. It's it's older technology, but it gets the job done. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm at least happy that I can charge my external battery. Also, I have the 18 or 20 watt charger, something like that. I did an unboxing for this product on my channel with the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so if you want, you can watch it. It gets the job done. I don't really use it that much. I'm usually using just this little guy with the slow charger because I think for my use it's just the best, but I have it just in case I need it. Also, I have my AirPods Pro, and I'm probably using them like every single day. When I'm going, to the gym, or I have to go outside basically alone, I'm usually using this kind of headphones, and I really like them. I can recommend them without any problems, and you should get some wireless headphones. Trust me, you are not gonna regret it. And also, that's another thing that I'm using. I always have chopped lips, and I'm trying to take care of that problem. And I got this Carmex lipstick or something like that. It's with vanilla, which is my favorite flavor, and I really like it. Not something tech related, but it's nice to have. And also we have a little pouch over here. This one, it's magnetic, as you can basically hear. So yeah, it's magnetic, and I have a few cables over here. I have the Apple Watch charger, not something that impressive. I'm using that charger every single night. And I also have this charger. It's a little bit broken, but it gets the job done. And this is basically how I charge my iPhone, either with this one or the 3-meter cable that I have, but in the slow charger form. And yeah, this is basically how I charge my phone and my watch. Also in this little pocket, I don't know if you can see, but it says that it's designed in Australia, made in India. I didn't expect to be made in India, and I really like this fact. And also they said carried all over the world. So yeah, it's a really nice thing. Also the nice blue color, and also you can fit a lot of things in this little pocket. Maybe a SIM card, maybe, I don't know, stuff that you might need it. And yeah, this is basically my tech kit. And yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Be well, be safe.